Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 3. So now that we're done with modules 1 and 2, which were kind of like the setup modules and everything, we're on to our regular content. So now each week, we'll have different readings and resources. So this week we're going to be talking about families. So we have vocabulary about families, and we also have the verb tener, which means to have. So we can use it to say, like, I have 2 kids, things like that. So make sure you go through the readings and watch the videos. So then for the assignments, we have homework packet. So just like with the other weeks, it's unlimited attempts. Do it until you get the grade you want. We have discussion board, which is based on some articles. There's one article in your book, and then there's some other articles that are posted. So make sure you reference those articles in your discussion post. And then the speaking assignment, you're going to be answering those questions about your family. Make sure you answer in Spanish and make sure you have a verb in the answer. So don't just say no. Say no, I don't have siblings or something like that. Okay, this thing that says family tree practice, you don't have to submit this anywhere. This is just similar to something that's on the quiz. So it's like true and false. So just look through that. If you want to check your answers, you can email me your answers and I'll tell you if you're right or not. But you don't have to do that. It's because it's similar to what's on the quiz. So if you want to check it, let me know. If not, just look through it. And then we have the quiz, which again, is just one attempt. Once you open it, you have to finish it. Make sure you check your spelling. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.